Activity 5. Adding fillets. In this fifth activity, you will add fillets or rounded edges to your car to help with aerodynamics and to make it suitable for machining. Step 1. Adding fillets. Select Modify, Fillet from the toolbar. Select the inside edges of the wheel surrounds. Make sure you get both sides of the car. The CNC router cutting tool to cut your car has a diameter of 1/4 inch, so it will leave a radius of approximately 3 millimeters on any internal corner which are cut. Select 3 millimeters as your radius for these edges. And click OK. Now let's do it again. Let's select these top edges. Remember to rotate and select the other side, holding down Shift. Let's give these a radius of 5 and press OK. Zoom into the back wing support. Currently the wing support and the body are separate parts. Click Modify and Combine. Select the wing support as the target and select the body as the tool. Make sure Join is selected and Keep Tools is checked. Click OK. Create a 3 millimeter fillet. Select this side edge, rotate, and select the opposite side, and type in 3. Click OK. Let's select Fillet one more time, rotate around to the front of the car, select the nose cone, and let's apply a fillet of 8 millimeters. And click OK. Make sure to save your work.